appreciate that.
I had to
That's
go
very
get
awesome.
some more stuff to do. I didn't want to run out of time there. So thank you.
You gotta have a lot of patience.
Hey, it's your job. You know, I've been here 20 years. If you don't have patience, you could just make yourself nuts.
I don't have any patience, so that's why I have to. That's why I drive for a living. That's why give me what I need to take. I gotta go. So call me out.